Introducing the 2021 Skoda Kodiaq Sportline, a stylish and practical 7-seater SUV. This powerful 2.0 TDI engine with 150 bhp and DSG transmission ensures a smooth and efficient drive every time. The sleek black exterior and impressive 19 alloys give this vehicle a sporty edge. Loaded with comfort and safety features like heated seats, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, the Kodiaq Sportline has everything you need for a comfortable and secure journey. With a full service history and comprehensive warranty, you can trust that this vehicle has been well maintained and is ready for the road ahead. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a top quality SUV. Call us or visit spiritSkoda.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle. Drive away with peace of mind knowing that our full multi-point health and safety check